Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to turn off PS5 from controller. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To turn off your PS5 using the controller, follow these steps. Firstly, on your DualSense controller, press the PS button located in the center to open the control center. Use the D-pad or the left analog stick to navigate to the power icon, which looks like a power button. It's usually located at the far right of the control center menu. Press the X button to open the power options menu. In the power options menu, choose turn on PS5 and press the X button. Your PS5 will begin the shutdown process. Ensure that the power indicator light on the console stops blinking before unplugging it to avoid data corruption or damage.
And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.